Hey guys, it's Marie with WTI, and I got these binders and I'm so excited. My kids are homeschooled, so we use these binders quite often to organize their work, to give them work to do in the order that we want them to do it in. And it just fits really well and nice in a binder. We can fit different subjects in there, and it keeps everything really nice and neat all together. There's a paper that comes in the front of each binder. If you don't like it, you can easily take it out. If you want to replace it with a paper or a picture, it's really easy to put back in. If you want your child to maybe draw a picture or something, that would be really cool. It's also really easy to open and close. Even my son's little hands can open it with ease. And if I tell him, can you please close it, he is able to do that as well. Just watch those little fingers. So if you're looking for some binders for whatever reason, these are so fun. I love them. They work really well. My kids love them. I love them. My family uses them all the time. So I would definitely highly recommend this product. And that's my point of view.